Hi everyone! Today I would like to share how I made this tangled chain bracelet. In order to make this bracelet, we need 7 strings, all in different colors. First, fold all the strings in half. Take the 7th color, which is pink here, and make 1 larkhead knot onto the center of all the other 6 strings. Set up the strings as shown and attach the right side firmly onto the working surface. Take the pink string, which you just used, on the left side and make 8 forward-backward knots. We just made 9 pink knots, including the first larkhead knot. Now attach the left side and take out the first color, which is red here, and make 8 backward-forward knots. We just made 17 knots to make the initial loop. Form the loop and attach it back onto the working surface. Now place the entire 7 strings on the right side over the entire left strings. Take the color 1 string, which is red here, from the now right group of strings. Using that right string, make 1 double half hitch knot onto all of the left group of strings. Now take the red string from the left group of strings, pass it under the other 6 strings on the left side, and place it on the left. Use that red string and make 6 forward-backward knots. Now take the color 2 string, which is orange here, from the right group of strings and place it on the right. Use that string and make 6 backward-forward knots. When you make the first knot on the right side, it is almost like making that knot under the other group of strings. We just finished the first unit. We repeat these steps, changing colors. Cross the right strings over left strings. From the right group of strings, take the orange string. Make 1 double half hitch knot onto the left group of strings. Take the orange from the left and make 6 forward-backward knots. Take the color 3 string, which is yellow, from the right and make 6 backward-forward knots. We just finished the second unit. From here, I will just show the whole thing until I finish the whole set. The easiest way to remember this color order is that the one color continues like the opposite shape of S. Another thing to remember is that there are always 7 strings on the right side and 7 strings on the left side, one color each. We're just back to the initial place where we started our first loop. After it reaches the desired length, and close the chain with the double half hitch knot, make 1 forward backward knot on the left side and 1 backward forward knot on the right side, using the color following the rule. Here I finished with blue, so the left side I used the blue string, and the right side I used the purple string. Also, just to let you know, this ending I used different bracelets, so the colors are a little different. Now we make 1 twist braid on each side. Since there are 7 strings on each side, we divide them into 3 and 4 strings. Twist the 4 strings a little stronger than the 3 strings. Finish each of the braids with 1 overhand knot. Cut the excessive strings, and you're done. Thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you soon.